Welcome everyone. Today's video we're going to head to B&M and we're going to check out the new plant stock only. Not only that, we're going to take a look at some of the outdoor sundries, including the compost and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So we're going to start off at the front of the store with these Sias palms. Now I absolutely love these, £37.50. Unfortunately these are not frost hardy. They will need some winter protection, either bringing in into the house or a heated summer house greenhouse. I absolutely love them though, one of my absolute favourite plants. They give a real tropical look to any garden. Ideal for a pot, really, like a nice sandy soil. Same for these variegated yuccas, and again these aren't frost hardy unfortunately, so these will need some winter protection as well. So I'd highly recommend keep them in a pot just so you can pull them either A, closer to the house to give them some protection if you've got nowhere for them to go, or they go in a heated greenhouse or polytunnel summer house. These here, Trachycarpus fortunei, £18.50. They're really good value for the money. They are very hardy, very dependable. They don't need any winter protection at all. So if you are looking for a palm or a tropical style palm tree, there for you. We've still got decent selection of bedding plants then, so Sophinia petunias, and then we've got some really lovely Bacopa amongst other stuff, all two for £12. I'm not going to touch on all the summer bedding as that's featured in last week's video. Then we've got a couple of different varieties of cordylines, both £10. Now this variety is Verdi, very similar to the Australis variety, I believe, and then the Red Star. So the green one is hardier than the red. I would give both plants some winter protection anyway, wrap them up with a little bit of fleece, but the red one will need quite a bit more than the green one. So these don't need any kind of winter protection. Now these are Formiums. I absolutely love these. They're like a variegated variety. They do get quite big as well, and they will spread, and you can divide them to make more plants, but just enjoy them for what they are, very architectural plants, and like I say, one of my favorites. So £4.50 is for the lilies. So just bear in mind that these are in full swing now, so they're not going to last that much longer. So in a week or two you'll probably find these for half marked price. Then we've got a few hanging baskets still in stock, two for £12. They're mixed with quite a lot of plants, ideal for either part sun, part shade. Then they've got these really beautiful dahlia plants in. Now these are really good investment for the garden because these die back to a tuber that you can save over winter, so they're not just strictly a summer bedding plant. They make a beautiful cut flower. They love the full sun. You just got to keep making sure you take those dead heads off to encourage more flowers throughout the season. But this variety is really lovely. Unfortunately, it doesn't give you the variety name on the pot itself, but it is a really lovely variety. Moving on then, we've actually got some tumbling toms, tomatoes. So these are like a cascading variety, as they look good in the hanging basket. And as you can see, they're great quality. They've got lots of flowers on, meaning you have lots of fruit. So they are an actual pretty decent price if you want something a little bit different in the hanging baskets just there. So we do have some more hanging baskets with these. Now these are my absolute favorite. These are what we call a non-stop begonia. These are ideal for a very shady area. They love the full shade, or don't mind a little bit of part sun, but they do their best in a real shady area. £8.50, don't feel too bad of a price, and you can save these. They die back to like a small corm, and then you dry them out, plant them again next year, and they'll come back for you as well. Then we've got some really large hanging baskets, two for £40. They're quite a hefty price, but they are very big, loaded with a lot of summer bedding plants. Unfortunately, everything in here you can't save, apart from the geranium in the middle. If you wish to just sort of dig that bit up, you can bring that in the house over the winter period. But everything else is strictly a summer bedder. And last one, the golden crest conifer, a very hardy, dependable plant, gets to about 3.5 feet tall. And yeah, it's a real nice addition. Does ideal in a pot. Just make sure you give it lots of water. And we're just about to go on to the composts. Just interrupting to say, if you're enjoying this and you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I think up to 89% of my views come from unsubscribed. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get back to the video. So this part of the video, we're going to look at the compost and some of the outdoor sundries. So £8.99 for the Arthur Bowers multi-purpose, quite expensive. Arthur Bowers is a very good make though. It's normally added with a little bit of sand and grit. £11.99 for the Westlands multi-purpose, but that's a bigger bag at 80 litres. We have the smaller multi-purpose for £7.99, the same make. And then we've got the couple of grow bags just there, £5.99. with the Miracle Grow being slightly cheaper. So topsoil £5.99. That's ideal for if you're thinking about leveling your lawn out, a very fine, almost sandy-like soil. And we've got some more multi-purpose compost there for £7.99. Now, one of the leading brands that I've actually found really good results from is something called a Growshaw, and it's the cheapest one around as well. I've actually found it's very, very good value, very good quality. So moving on to the barks, £8.49, quite expensive. I think Home Bargains have got theirs for around about £4, £4 to £5 anyway. So I think it's considerably cheaper. Farmyard manure then £6.99. We've got some more topsoil there, £5.99 as well. So wheelbarrows start from around £49.99. And then £5.99 or 3 for £15 when it comes to these stones. There's a lot in the offer, just depending on what you're after. I know the blue and purple stones are on offer, and also the white ones are. £6.99 or 3 for £19 then for those particular ones. As you can see, they've got lots of wheelbarrows in stock, lots of different colours as well. So £10.99 then for the gravel. And then on the right hand side, just there, they've actually got some large cobbles, which are £7.99. So, but these are a decent size. It's actually something that I'm looking for a project that I've got coming up this winter. So I keep making note of everything as I'm out and about, see if I can get the best prices available. So these are really interesting. I actually want to add some of these to my garden. These are the protection trays for the lawns, £8.49 each. These are actually going underneath my swing set just to protect the lawn a little bit. And then we have these really lovely slates. These are quite expensive for what they are, though. These are £5.99. It says for one piece, so they're quite on the expensive side. Quick look at the water butts then. They start from £19.99 and go all the way up to around about £50, I believe. So several different sizes, but as you can see, they don't actually have the tap displayed on them, but I do believe that they're inside, so they are on them when you purchase them. And then wheelbarrows, again, £55.99. So as you can see, lots of watering cans in stock, £4.49. Then we've got bins, and then also we've got the incinerators. So they start £29.99, smaller ones up there for £17.99. Then they have the large trays for £3.99. These are ideal for your greenhouse or holding big plants. There we have it, a really quick trip to B&M. It's one of my favourite stores. I always say with the plant stock, you've got to get there early, as the aftercare can be questionable in some stores. But the value of the plants, compost, etc. is really good value. If you got something from it, then please do consider giving it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Until tomorrow, I will see you in the garden. You take care.